transform a can of chicken into a delicious chicken salad. I've got a 12-ounce can of canned chicken, which first we're gonna open and drain the water out. Now I'm gonna take it out of the can and place it in my bowl. Then I'm gonna use a fork to break up the large chunks into smaller pieces. You can leave it as big or small as you like, but at least break up these really large chunks of chicken meat. Straight out of the can may or may not be appetizing to you, but we're gonna add some classic chicken salad ingredients like some mayo. I'm gonna juice half a lemon in there, and this really adds a lot of fresh flavor to my chicken salad. I'm gonna season it with salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm keeping it simple with salt and pepper, but you can add your favorite seasoning right into the bowl as well. I'm gonna take a rib of celery and chop it really small. The celery adds a lot of crunch and a really nice texture. I've also got a few dried cranberries, so I'm adding those in too. And now we're gonna give everything a good mix. The great thing with chicken salad is that you can customize it in so many ways. You can leave out the cranberries, add walnuts, add grapes, and then you can use it in a sandwich on top of greens or eat it by the scoop. It's basic, high in protein, and super delicious. By the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more.